That is a color, let me see. It's a color pink yarn.
How about this one?
Color blue yarn.
How about this one?
Color green yarn.
How about this one?
It's a color purple yarn.
What about this one?
Color blue yarn.
How about this one?
Color white yarn.
How about this one?
Color yellow yarn.
Very, very good.
Oh, thank you.
How about this
How many stars
one?
can I get?
How about this one, Daddy?
This is Z for zipper. You know what's a zipper?
And zebra, zebra too.
Very good. Z for zebra. I'll give you my star. Very good. Huh? You like my star? I'll give you my star.
Then I'm gonna give you